One day, a man found a cocoon of a butterfly. He was so excited. So he sat around and waited for the butterfly to leave the cocoon. The butterfly started to emerge out of the cocoon itself. However, it was struggling and struggling, and it reached to a point where it could not leave the cocoon. Out of a good heart, the man decided to grab a pair of scissors and snap off the rest of the bit in order to help the butterfly leave its cocoon. The butterfly left without any struggle, and then it grew with a swollen body and shriveled wings. He thought that was just the beginning, and then it may recover later on. But then the next day, the same thing happened. The body of the butterfly was swollen and it had shriveled wings. The man did that because he had a good heart to help this butterfly leave its cocoon. However, the man didn't know that it's God's way of having the butterfly struggle through that tiny opening to force the fluid to leave the butterfly's body to its wings so that it can fly. The moral of the story is that our struggles in life develop ourselves. Without these kind of struggles, we never grow and we never get stronger. So it is really important that in some circumstances, you let people help themselves by themselves and depend on themselves. Because once they go through that tunnel of struggles, they will be better and they will be self-independent and self-reliable. Sometimes you need to keep a distance from certain kind of people so that they can grow. Think about your kids, for example. Sometimes you don't have to help them with what they do because that is the only way that they can grow and develop their conscientiousness and their ability to deal with society. Have a wonderful night.